Hey folks, this is Preston here from I Do Stuff Carpentry, and today I have an unboxing that I want to do on a a solution, a tool that I purchased. I waited a few days for it. I bought it off Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description of what I purchased. Where I purchased it from. I'm not affiliate. I purchased this on my own money. No one sponsored it, didn't send it to me or anything like that. So this is going to be a strictly non-biased review. Today is an unboxing, right? So I haven't used the tool yet. I've been following the tool since it was in its development, phases, when it was just a Kickstarter, and they were asking for money, and these things were on back order for a year or so. Right now they're available on the market. People are able to buy them. I guess people love them because when I purchased mine the other day, they said low stock. That could be a marketing ploy, who knows, right? But it's the I don't know how they pronounce it. Maybe is it Reekon or Reekon? I guess it depends on which part of the world you're from, right? I guess REA would be Ray, REE would be Re, but depending on which part of the world you're from, it could be Re or Ray, right? So there we go. So I'm gonna call it Reekon. I'm from Philly, where we speak phonetically. We say it's spelled almost like Reebok, which is kind of funny. But this is a Reekon for me. Reekon M1 caliber, right? So let's start with the box, right? I already started opening the box. I got apprehensive, and I had to say, "Hold, pump your brakes, Preston. Let's do an unboxing," right? I don't do a lot of unboxings. This is, this will be cutting my teeth here. So don't judge me too harshly. Be nice, okay? So on the front of the box, we have a QR code that says "Scan before calibrating." Scan the QR code and calibrate before use, right? Obviously, this is a measuring solution, a measuring tool, so you absolutely want to calibrate it. All your measuring solutions, especially as a carpenter, doing anything in the trade, you want to calibrate your stuff. Your miter saws, everything, your circular saws, everything needs to be calibrated. Make sure it's set to cut to the right depth, dimension, whatever, right? So, and I'll tell you my personal use for this is going to be, as you see on my channel, I'm a carpenter. I cut a lot of wood. I do a lot of decks. I do framing additions. I do fireplaces. I do anything. I do finish work. I even build furniture, sometimes cabinets and tables, right? I feel that this solution, from it being on the market, seeing other people using it, is going to be able to help me be more efficient. So I'm not pulling out my tape measure to cut my wood at the miter saw all the time, right? So this attachment goes attaches to your miter saw, and what it does, it has a roller on it, right? And I'm going to show it to you in a minute, but it has a roller on it, and you'll be able to, after calibration, you'll be able to take dimensions by rolling your material past the roller counts, the length to the blade, and then you cut, right? It seems as simple as that, right? And it almost puts you in mind, if you ever seen, if you ever noticed, land surveyors or engineers, they come out to a property, or even if you've ever laid out a property for foundation or something like that, where you see the guys walking around with a stick with a wheel on the end of it. What that's doing, that's counting distance, right? This is pretty much the same thing, just in a smaller little tiny little package. So let's keep going with the unboxing. Okay, on the box, it says that that you could use this for framing applications, finishing applications, molding applications, pipe, metal, and composite, right? Anything you can run past that roller, I feel it could cut, right? It will take that measurement. Also on the box in the back, it says it takes, you're able to take metric and imperial measurements, right? Which is great because it's versatile. So here in the US, we go by inches, right? So you know, that's my thing, right? So inches, feet. So we'll stick with that. You're able to take so it also says that you know, your battery life, you can run 15 hours on your batteries, right? So it does say that this use 2 AA batteries, and the batteries are not included. So I have 2 batteries that I'll be putting in here. Obviously, we'll test that time, that 15-hour time. We probably will never get to it. I'll probably have to give you a review a year later from now, saying that, hey, the battery still hasn't run out, and tell you how much time I've used it. I'll probably do that. Yes, that'll be what I do, right? It has a screen display, right? And here it tells you, it says the screen will show millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, right? Feet and inches, right? So it has everything there that you need. And it says that, you know, it makes you up to 110% faster, right, than conventional measuring styles. So you know, this says that this is faster than me pulling out, 110% faster than me pulling out my tape measure, marking and making a cut every time. I am excited about this because that says that it's making me more efficient. There's less time on a job. That's making me more money, and I can get on to move on to the next project. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna unbox it. All right, so in the box comes a card here. This is how to calibrate the system, right? And on the other side is 3 keys to setting up your system, your M1 caliber. Right? I'm stop calling it a system. It's an M1 caliber. It is a system, but let's call it what it is. It's the M1 caliber. All right? That's what that card is. This right here is a styrofoam case. Looks like, well, has Reekon on the front. Reekon M1. Top is gray styrofoam. The bottom is black styrofoam. Oh, and it has hinges. So this is actually the case for the M1 caliber. And if you look back here, it has a hinge. So they want to make sure you can reuse it. And this is not just notice that this is not just a throwaway item. Now, if it didn't have the hinge there, I'd be like, oh, it's just a packaging material. I'll toss it maybe, or maybe I probably wouldn't, and say I'll reuse it. So I found a case and been able to get some styrofoam and cut it out and put it into my DeWalt Tough 2.0 system, right? But I mean, I like the presentation so far. Just to show you, the system is pretty lightweight, small, compact. These teeth, you take it and you snap this onto the side of your miter saw. Pretty nice, feels sturdy and well made. Has Reekon on the front here. Is the wheel here. The wheel has a rubber. This is rubber on the edge of the wheel, so it's not like a hard plastic. So and I'm glad to see that, because if it was a hard plastic, that leaves chances for your material to slip or move and the wheel not necessarily capture. So I'll be doing a thorough review of this on a coming job that I have, where I'm going to be building a fireplace, be framing out framing out a fireplace. I also have some more decks scheduled already, and I have basement finishes already scheduled. So I'm gonna be using this thing to the max, and hopefully it makes me faster and my team faster. And I just look forward to seeing if it does help me be more efficient, that 110%, and I don't have to keep pulling out tape measure to measure my material at the miter saw, right? Or I could have my cut guy be like, hey, call out this number, and my cut guy just be able to roll it and cut it, right? I'm hoping that that's the case. But in any case, I'll be doing a review. You'll know how it's performing, and I'm excited to get started with it, right? I'm about to go put this thing to use now, start taking, recording more video of me using it, and I'll post those online for everyone to see. So thank you for watching. This is great. This has been a unboxing of the Reekon M1 caliber, and please like, share, subscribe, leave a review. This is my first unboxing, so be nice or not, whatever. But hey, there we are. Thank you very much, and this is Press from I Do Stuff Carpentry, and thanks for watching. GoPro, stop recording.